Judge Aileen Cannon has indefinitely postponed former President Donald Trump's classified documents trial in Florida, pending the resolution of multiple pre-trial issues. The trial was previously scheduled to start May 20th. The court determines that finalization of a trial date at this juncture, before resolution of the myriad and interconnected pre-trial and CPA issues remaining and forthcoming, would be imprudent and inconsistent with the court's duty to fully and fairly consider the various pending pre-trial motions before the court, critical CIPA issues, and additional pre-trial and trial preparations necessary to present this case to a jury, Cannon wrote Tuesday. The court therefore vacates the current May 20th, 2024 trial date and associated calendar call to be reset by separate order following resolution of the matters before the court, consistent with defendants' right to due process and the public's interest in the fair and efficient administration of justice. She added, Cannon also scheduled additional hearings on some of the pending issues, with the first one in May and the last one in late July. That schedule would mean the case is unlikely to go to trial before August. Trump has argued that going to trial in the weeks before the November election would amount to political interference because he should otherwise be campaigning. Trump is currently waiting on a Supreme Court decision about his claim of presidential immunity in a separate federal case in Washington, D.C., where he is accused of crimes related to the effort to overturn the 2020 election. He has argued that any decision in that case could influence his other criminal cases, including the ongoing hush money trial in New York. Trump is facing dozens of felony charges, including willful retention of national defense information, false statements and representations, conspiracy to obstruct justice, withholding a document or record, and corruptly concealing a document. He has denied any wrongdoing. Trump's co-defendants, Walt Nauta and Carlos de Oliveira, have also pleaded not guilty to the related charges against them. Special counsel Jack Smith has accused Nauta, who served as Trump's valet and continued to work for him after leaving the White House, and de Oliveira, a Mar-a-Lago property manager, of seeking to erase security video at Mar-a-Lago after the Justice Department sought to obtain it. De Oliveira is also accused of making false statements to prosecutors. Trump's lawyers had said a trial in the documents case should not start until after the election, but also suggested an August 12 date in response to an order from Cannon to propose a timeline for the case. Smith proposed a July start date. Trump's lawyers have worked to delay all 4 criminal cases he faces. A Florida judge on Tuesday indefinitely postponed Donald Trump's criminal trial over his alleged mishandling of classified documents, making it unlikely the case will be heard before the November presidential election.